I'm really excited by the increasing popularity of yoga. However, I can't help but feel that this creates a different level of expectation and pressure for yoga teachers. I myself lecture anatomy on yoga teacher training courses and have over 10 years of experience teaching different movement modalities, and I still find myself feeling overwhelmed. I'm still asking for help from a variety of medical professionals, and more often than not, I'm cross-referring. And that's the exact intention of these fundamental anatomy workshops, to share that information, to refresh, revise, revisit, and then learn how to apply it in not only an individual but group class setting. The workshops are applicable to Pilates teachers, bio-kineticists, personal trainers, physiotherapists, and of course, yoga teachers. I really am super excited about these modules. I'm very passionate about the content. I've tried to keep it as relevant and current to problem areas, pathologies that I've come across in my teaching. And as I said, it's to create that platform of shared learning, of continued learning, and not only understanding the anatomical principles better, but also discovering and unpacking a language that's more accessible to your students, that's more accessible to who you are and how you teach as an individual, something that differentiates you from other teachers. If you'd like to find out any more information, please feel free to email me. Otherwise, you are welcome to contact me on any of my social media platforms.